Change email on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can change email on Discord. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Discord. And make sure that you're logged into your account. Now go to your user settings from the settings icon from the bottom left corner of your interface. That will take you to your account settings or your account information section. Here on your interface, here on this interface next to email, there is an edit button. Click on that. Now, before you change your email, you have to verify your old email address. In order to do so, click on Send Verification Code. Now, you will receive a verification code on your old email address. Go and check for the verification code in your email. You copy the code and simply paste the code right here, then click on Next. Now you have to enter the new email address that you would like to add to your existing email address. Enter your email address and along with that add your current password in order to verify your email. And after you do that, simply click on Done, and then your new email address will be added to Discord. And that's how you change email in Discord. Now on the next step, you will land on this interface. First of all, it says transfer to and send download link via email, but there are a bunch of other options that you can select. Click on this arrow button right here. Then you can choose either add to Drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, or add to Box. Here the best one will be send download link via email, so select that. And scroll down a bit, and under frequency there is option as export once and another one export every 2 months for 1 year. So if you like to export every 2 months for 1 year, you can select the second one, or you can go with the first one. And under that there is file type and size. There you can select your file type. You can either go with this GZZ or Z file. Here I will go with G file. And under that you can select the file size as well. You can export larger than this size and it will be split on multiple files. You can select the size as 4GB, 10GB or up to 50. Here I will select 2GB. After you're done with that, now click on Create Export. Now your file will be on process, which can take a long time, possibly hours a day to complete, and you have to wait until that and you will receive a notification or email so that you can download the file. And that's how you can back up your Google Drive. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.